Holy crap! Somebody stole your motor.
Or do you just push it trying to keep up with all the other lop-eared varmints from Canuckian land?
When you're Dutch, you ain't much. I can't find them.
Well, the purpose of this video is to show that they really do maintenance here at Maintenance Day. This is a little video of the gurus. The gurus hard at work.
Don't post pictures of me online, because I'm on the protected witness list.
Well, then I probably shouldn't tell you this, but I was going to tell you that the boys' room was like black. There was somebody in there doing something. So I kind of went on back and told them, and I kind of peed a little bit on back.
I videoed it. I don't get the video.
I just wanted to tell you, if those pot plants that you got hidden back there, if they take off and grow like crazy,
we got something.
We got
partnership.
We got something. We got
partnership.
We got something.
If I get any pot plants, I need to show me where they're at. I actually did raise some. A couple plants on the ground.
You're on video, you know. You
don't care.
You're going to admit this?
No, I
Your
didn't.
name's not Bill. Never mind.
No, you're talking geraniums, right?
Not plants.
Yeah.
That's exactly right.